Hey, it's Deb, My Maine Gardens. Thank you so much for watching. This is week number 8 of the raised bed gardens update. 2 months since we planted the raised beds. First year with them, learning a lot. And this is the week of picking, pruning, I had to write this down. Picking, pruning, powdery mildew, patience, peppers, and pavers. Ladies and gentlemen, the pavers have arrived for our great patio project of 2023, which is a whole nother story, but we're getting there. So subscribe to the channel, like how I did that, just a little plug. And I'm gonna do a video pretty soon of where we are with the patio project, but I wanna keep this short and sweet. So picking, I'm picking, you gotta pick. Things are really happening in the beds now. Cucumbers have been great, I've been picking quite a few of those. Oh, stay till the end of the video for the Kornacki plant veggie scoreboard, and you'll see how much we've harvested to date. Yeah, picking some squash, cherry tomatoes are ripening up really fast, so every day I'm picking. Pruning, so I'll take you around, but some of the plants, which is normal, have a lot of heavy foliage and growth, and that can create some issues. I had some brown spot on one of my tomatoes, so I pruned those leaves off. Got some powdery mildew, I'm gonna show you. I've been treating that with copper fungicide, but the bad leaves, it's just the zucchinis. I'm just pruning those back. And by pruning, especially the bottom leaves around your squash plants and your zucchini plants, and even some around my cucumbers, it allows for better airflow and circulation. That keeps the plants happy. And I've pruned back some of the suckers on some of the tomato plants. And again, I'll show you just opening up the plants, leaving enough foliage, obviously, for some plant protection, a little bit of shade, especially on the tomatoes, and you know, the photosynthesis part. But anyway, so pruning, powdery mildew, we talked about. Ugh. So here's one. Ew. This is so gross. Ew. Yeah, you know, it happens. It's common. We've had a lot of rain this past week. We had like a storm with 3 inches of rain. Then we had another one, a lot of rain and a lot of humidity. So I'm not surprised by this, even though I have been trying to prevent it as much as possible. It's not terrible. It's not a huge outbreak, but I'm dealing with it. You're out of here. Get off my garden. And patience. So I'm trying to be patient, especially with the tomatoes. Like I said, a lot of cherry tomatoes, but many of my other tomatoes are still very green. So I'm really hoping they have time to ripen. But the peppers, that's the other P. Peppers are going and growing. So I'll show you those. And I have some peppers in other containers outside of the raised beds that are doing great. And that's what I love about peppers. They're really, especially the hot peppers, the smaller peppers, they're very easy to grow in any kind of container in the right spot. So picking, pruning, powdery mildew, patience, and peppers. That is week number 8, 2 months with the raised beds gardens. Stay tuned for the scoreboard. Let me give you a little tour. Let's go. Oh, and patio pavers. All right, let's go. All right, we'll start with the picking. Look at that. We got some cucumbers to pick. Oh yeah, that baby needs to go. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Whoa, okay. Wait a minute, look at that. I should have picked that yesterday. I'm picking it. Yeah, I'm coming back for you. So lots of picking to do. More over here. Oh, I better pick that now. And pruning. Okay, so you can see around the tomatoes that I have pruned quite a bit of foliage. Really trying to get that airflow through the plants. Especially, I come in here every day. If I see anything like this, that's got to come off. That whole thing can go. So I'm just pruning back. Hopefully I haven't overdone it, but there's still plenty of foliage. Look at these babies. These are the ones I'm waiting for, my Romas. And these babies, this is the patience part. I got some broccoli I need to harvest. And then let's look at the peppers. Look, we got some beauties coming. The jalapenos, the green one over there. And take a look at these peppers. These are hot. I'm not kidding you. Inferno hot. They are. Yeah, I tried one. It was a mistake. We'll use them for something. These are banana sweet. So they're about ready. And these are more hot golden cayenne. Aren't those beautiful? Yeah. And then the final P, the pavers. All the pavers have arrived for the patio project. So guess what David will be doing this weekend? Woohoo! All right, so thank you for hanging out with me in my Maine gardens. I really appreciate you doing that, and I can't wait to see you back here next week for week number 9, and hopefully we'll have some ripening tomatoes by then. But in the meantime, I've got some cucumbers to pick, and I've got to keep going and growing. And I hope your growing is going great. All right, talk to you later. Bye.